Clements.
No, not I. E. Clements.
Clay.
No, E. Clements.
Clay.
No.
It's time for Sub's choice. Can I call you Clee?
Clee is okay.
Clee?
Hi,
Clee?
I'm Clee.
But you're a photographer, yes?
Yes, I actually am. I'm from Austria, 19 years old, and I'm trying to be as good as Martin one day.
He's very good.
Thank you.
Take a look at his
Instagram, like choom, 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 like this. Yes.
Check it out, yeah. You're not living around the corner.
1,300 kilometers only to see this guy.
Can you believe it? No. You're very welcome.
Thank you, sir.
And I almost said, what did you bring? You didn't bring anything.
I've forgotten it back home in Austria.
So I was panicking, and then I went to the store. Maybe you can see it here.
It's like Rudolf Juläpple. No.
It's close. Jul is Christmas,
You. Okay.
and apple is äpple.
Äpple.
Juläpple.
Juläpple.
Okay, it doesn't matter what we are shooting really, but I just was thinking we should shoot this semi-shiny can. It's not 100% shiny, but enough
It's
to
also
screw
not
up
matte.
everything.
Yes.
It's hard, but this we will shoot, and there's some stuff going on here. We've been doing this actually for 4 hours. Setting
4.5.
this up.
Oh, 5 almost. Time's running by
5 hours,
of straight work.
and I did some 3 hours before you came.
Yeah. And I've drunk so much coffee, I'm actually shaking right now. So.
Me too. 5 to 8 hours of rigging, because we wanted to make it nice for you guys, of course. So how should we start? We should start with one light. I always start with the background, and then you work your way forward. Let's turn on the background light, the backlight. Today we're shooting tethered to Lightroom, because you have Lightroom.
Yeah.
And it's okay, you know, you don't have to go and buy Capture One, but the bad thing is you cannot shoot in live view, I think. I don't think they put it in. Adobe, why don't you have live view?
Yeah.
And I'm sorry if you have, but I haven't used it for long. But now we just start live Lightroom, and then we're just starting shooting tethered. Lightroom, File, Tethered Capture, Start Tethered Capture. And now the camera will show up. And now everything is good. Maybe we take a test shot, see if it works.
Yes, the camera works.
And we have a black frame. Why do we have a black frame, Clee?
Because we are shooting on f8, ISO 400, and the shutter speed of 200. So it basically is black, because all ambient light gets cut out of the frame, and we got a black canvas, which is really important to start off, right?
So yes, because we don't want this ambient light to go into the shot. We only want the flashes, the nice control, 100% control with the flashes.
Yes.
So should we put on the
Pro Photo.
The Pro Photo? We have a D2 at the back, and I think it's B as in back.
We've got it wrong all the day.
Shoot! Do we get something in Lightroom? Ah! It's totally a mess. But it's fine, you know.
It's okay.
It's a very nice gradient, if I'm allowed to say it myself. We can take a look. Here at the back we have a strip box, and it goes onto this Savage medium plastic diffusion. The reason why we have this black gap is because we have a gap, you know. We have a gap, and we thought it looked nice instead of have this typical
Gradient back view.
all the way, blah blah. So this is
Because we are not shooting for Amazon, my friends.
exactly bluish a bit, because I changed the white balance to a bit colder.
Where's the...
because we wanted to have a bit coldish style.
And actually, we wanted to use, how is it called? I don't know.
CTO, color, temperature, orange, yellow.
We wanted to use it in front of the flash, but...
So the can will get the correct color, like flash, sun 5500, but we decided to skip it because it's nice to have this cold style, because we like it.
Because we can, right?
Because it's a bit, and it's a bit Austrian/Swedish style. I know this cold, strict
and cold. We're like in midsummer and it's, I don't know which one is mine.
I think I drank a lot, or? This is the background. And we worked a lot on this, because we wanted to be nice. So it's just a strip box shooting up, so we get the gradient. Dark to bright, you see it on the screen. Very simple. But in real life it takes like a couple of hours to fix this nicely.
We had really problems with the strip box as well, because the edge was a little bit warped, and we tried to figure out a way to make it really straight. We even tried to flag it with a black card.
Yes.
But then, black card, but then the gradient gets messed up, so we decided to only use the strip box.
Yes, because it was nice and straight, but at the same time we destroyed the nice gradient, because now it's so super smooth and nice. So
it's silky.
What's the next step, Clee?
We then said we need also a gradient when we place the bottle right here where it's going to stand.
Yeah.
The can, not the bottle.
The can. Around there.
We said we need a gradient also on the can. We got a gradient in the back, so we need a gradient on the can.
We can turn it on, so they would see. It's A, hopefully, molding light. I like his shoes. I also would like to have yellow shoes. I'm actually looking for it right now. But I want Nike yellow. Does it exist? On the other side, we placed a softbox. So it will go from bright and fading out, and that will go onto this bottle. I can show you from this side. Maybe we should take a shot. Oh, fantastico! This is a flash. This is a D2 over there, and it's a softbox. It's a softbox 1.3 times 2, but it doesn't matter because we made it like a strip light. So I took this board and just cut it off. And that will go, the light, because it's pointing straight to the camera, you can say, I mean, this direction. So then it becomes a nice gradient, and it goes onto the bottle. Very simple.
The can is too dark. So, what did we do, Martin?
We tried many different things, snoot, but it was not good. So then we put on a 5 degree. We placed it a bit from the top, but we are not shooting straight on the bottle. The light goes actually passing by, and then we do this all the time, you know. We're feathering using the edge, and then it will touch this side a bit. We got ourselves a bonus on this side of the can, didn't we? Should we take a shot?
Yes,
maybe
now
we have to turn it on.
Now we're gonna shoot. Yeah, and there you got it.
Now we got a bit more light on the can, so it's not totally dark. Like a sort of a bonus, yes. This black rim light, I would say. No, it's not a light. How to say it? Negative fill rim? Negative fill rim.
Negative fill rim. I would call it black catch.
Black catch? Yeah. Why not? You see?
Why does it happen?
You know, on the right side we have a lot of light, but on this side there is no light coming from this side, so it will create a dark edge.
And we at first thought maybe we should fake it and say, yeah, that was our intention, but it happened, and that's how it is sometimes.
Yes.
In photography, things happen.
And then you should just thank
God
and move on.
Yeah.
So we will fill this up with water, and we will do a composite, because we need to do a splash. It will be nice it will look like the can is dropped and there will be and it will be frozen because we're using the D2s. They are really short flash duration.
So we can freeze the flash.
Freeze the
Motion.
the water, the motion. So we will try to do this. We haven't tried it yet, but it will probably work. And we should not drop the can because it's kind of heavy.
Where's my pocket wizard? Got it.
Where's my pocket wizard?
Where's the wizard?
I think we can go for the final shot right now. So, should we fill it up with water and then we try? Because I think that this will be a nice plastic with a bit of water, and when we drop it, hopefully we can catch it. I think we can shut this off because this is not so fast.
Okay.
Flash duration, it's a D1. So I think it's enough with that one. We should take a nice shot with water.
Filled up.
And take a separate, it's good to have a separate on the background.
Yeah.
And this also, the can will be nice. So
in the end we can Photoshop composite photo.
yes.
Okie dokie.
I beat you.
Faster than me.
Now I think we have this one. I think we can take it away and then we take the splash one and turn this off.
Yeah.
Because we don't need this, because now the can is nice, yeah? Too late.
It's really hard to get it right.
Ooh. Maybe we can use that one. And one other thing I was thinking about, if we have these two splashes, that maybe one, maybe two, wouldn't it be nice to have some movement in the water?
Oh, it's dripping on my shoe.
Very nice. There we go. I guess I have to do a retouching video about this because it's a composite with 3.
Yeah.
It was a lot of work behind this shot. Many hours. You have to realize that it's not just to put up the lights and take a shot. You know, you have to tweak and tweak until you're happy, and you look at the screen to see if you're happy. And don't stop until you're very happy.
Very happy.
Very happy. I always try to give something away to all the subscribers. But this is the crappy printing. So this is for me. I will keep this.
It's not actually crappy, it's pretty good.
Compare with this.
Wow, this is better.
No,
right.
Right. You know,
got me there.
this is a bit soft.
Yeah,
so
this is sharp.
You're a black guy, maybe you like that one, or you're a pink guy. Next guy will get... It's so funny. Now it's like almost 13,000 subscribers and I give away 5k, you know.
It's okay. 5k is okay.
5k? It's okay. So you want the black or the pink? The black?
I think it suits me better, the black one. Right.
Absolutely. It's yours.
Thank you.
So, thank you so much for coming. It was so nice that you came here, actually, and did this shot. It was a bit
tricky, right?
Tricky, but I think we will have, well, you will see in the thumbnail now.
Yeah.
We haven't even seen it, but I think I can. I feel confident I can put this background with the can with the splashes. No.
Back all together, so we can have the perfect thumbnail.
The perfect thumbnail.
We screwed up. What's the schedule? It's like, as always, see you, click next. No, see you next, click time.
Exactly. And you wait a bit for the time.
Okay.
Because then we're in the dark.
Yeah.
And as always, see you next. And as always, see you next
time.